Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to test the SQL injection flaws. The SQL injection is one of the top 10 OWSP vulnerability. The injection flaws allows an attacker to relay the malicious codes through an application to another system. These attacks include calls to the operation system via system calls, the use of an external programs via shell code, as well as the calls to backend database via SQL injection. So now make sure that you have set the browser proxy and burp intercept on. Here I am using the Vue app as an web application. Here I am selecting SQL injection get method. Then click on hack. Moving to the burp. Then click on forward so that the website gets loads correctly. Again moving back to the browser. Here you need to search for a movie name, or you can type anything. I am typing as an Iron Man. Now moving to the burp. Here you can see that the URL with a get method, and it consists of the values which you have entered, that is Iron Man. Now right click and send it to the repeater. Before sending it to the repeater, check whether this URL is vulnerable or not by sending it to scanner. First right click and send it to scanner. So here it shows that this is vulnerable for SQL injection. So next moving back to the proxy and right click and send it to the repeater. Moving to the repeater tab, first click on go button, check the response so that we can analyze the code. I always like to say a good analyzer is a best bug bounty hunter. Now click on the parameter tab. Here is the URL title which consists of parameter values. By changing these parameter values, adding the SQL injection. Here I am inserting the SQL injection which consists of admin single quote or 1 equal to 1 double dash and a single line. Now it is set. Then click on go button. Let's check the response. Okay, now here it is showing all the movie name which are present in the database of Vue app. Now let's check in the render. Here it is also showing the movie list. So now we can say it as this web application is vulnerable for SQL injection. This is a simple example for an SQL injection. Further, we are going to find the bigger vulnerabilities by using the SQL injection. That's all in this video. Thank you.